Good morning to everyone. I am Sakshi Rajput from grade 11th. So today I am going to speak on the topic which is software. In this topic we will discuss that what do we mean by software and what are the types of the software. So what do we mean by software? A software is basically a set of instructions or the programs which tell computer what to do and how to do. A software is not a physical thing like hardware, it rather makes the hardware work as per user. A hardware is a thing which we can touch, but we cannot touch the software, and it is created by the programmers. Now, there are two types of the software. The first one is system software and another is application software. In this topic, we will discuss that what do we mean by the system software and what are its types. So, what do we mean by system software? It is a software that directly operates the computer's hardware and provides basic functionality to the user. And it basically controls the computer's internal functioning and also controls the hardware devices such as monitor, printer, storage devices and so on. Now there are four types of the system software. The first one is device drive software and the second is language translator or language processor software. The third type is operating system and the fourth type is utility software. So we will discuss that what do we mean by the device drive software. It is a special kind of software which performs the special function. Without it, computer can do nothing. So there are the examples of the device drive software. The first one is printer driver, the second is audio driver and the third is USB controller driver. The second type of the system software is language translator software. So what do we mean by language translator? Language translator is a software which translates the language. As we know that computer only understand the machine language and machine language is binary language which is in the form of zeros and ones. So this language translator translates the machine language into the human readable language because we cannot understand the machine language. So the language processor does these kind of functions. And we have interpreter, compiler and assembler. These three things are the main important things which helps the language translator to translate the language. Assembler, it translates the assembly language which are written in the short form like addition, ADD, subtraction. And next we have the what do we mean by compiler. Compiler execute the whole programs and it converts the machine language into the human readable language and this kind of same functions are done by the interpreter. Next we have what do we mean by operating system. Operating system is the interface between the user and the computer. Without it, computer is nothing, just a box of component. It performs all the function like any kind of task which is given to the computer. It is basically given to the operating system. That operating system operates the whole functioning of the computer. So it does the functions like device management, file management and process management and storage management also. And the example of operating system software is Linux, Windows, Mac operating system. And at last we have utility software. That what do we mean by utility software? It is a software which acts as a protection which protects the computer from the virus. As we know that the unwanted data which is not good for the computer enters the computer, so it removes that data. And its example is antivirus cleaner app. We have seen these kind of apps in our mobile also. So these apps basically removes the virus which tries to enter the computer. So this was my topic for today. Thank you.